Hello, I'm Adam. I will show you how to place a battery in this wooden ring box. Okay, so here we are. Let's start. So to replace battery in the box, you need three things. The key, plastic key. This key is attached to the box once you receive it. Second thing, you need a flat screwdriver. Not too big, just small flat screwdriver. And of course the box. Box is working now because we have the power from the new batteries. So of course the ring is not needed at the moment. And how to replace the battery? Just take the key, plastic key, and slightly put it in the middle of the box into a small hole. Then gently pull up the plastic holder for the ring. Okay, and now rotate the key and put it out. So key now be not needed, and now we have to remove the two very nice small ring batteries. So let's start with one. Oh, one off, second off. Okay, and to put new batteries, we have to take them from the ground. I have the batteries back. So how to put them back into the box? We just put it here. You need to press a little bit more. And second one, put here and press. And that's it. Batteries are now inside. And the last thing you have to do is to put the holder from the ring inside the box. To make it, please be sure that this part is to this side. So you put it here and gently put it down. And that's it. Batteries are replaced. Okay, so thank you for watching the instruction how to replace the batteries. You just need to replace just simple button CR2032 batteries. So they are available in any shop with electronic parts. So that's it. And please remember that these two small batteries are enough for at least 5 hours of constant light of the box. So in fact you will not need to replace them too often, because normally you are using them just for a very short period of time, so they should last really long. Thank you for watching, thank you for your purchases, good luck.